We also have PKD Nambiar, political analyst supporting the BJP with us. And PKD Nambiar, and we'll just come to the ADMK question in a second. But PKD Nambiar, the BJP has already lost in a short span of time two crucial allies. The Shiv Sena has walked out, the Akalis have walked out. One of the few important constituents of the NDA, Mr. Tyagi, is saying he's hurt that you've poached, or the BJP has poached their own MLAs.
So, firstly, Vasu, that poaching may not be the right word in this context. If there are few MLAs of a particular party wanted to move to another political party, calling them as a poaching, and especially when there is no issue of political crisis in that particular.
No, Mr. Nambiar, let us not insult anyone's intelligence, your mind or the viewers. These MLAs have not walked across, tomorrow because they've had some kind of awakening. We know how politics works. My point is, they're an ally of the BJP. Even if they wanted to cross over, the BJP could have said, listen, we don't want your support. You belong to an ally. If you come over, this hurts the coalition dharma. So that can't be a reason.
So no, I believe that every political party has got its own plan. Today, BJP is one of it's the largest party, which is the ruling party. There is a natural course that the MLAs and
the does that not end up hurting your own allies?
Yeah, I don't think so. See, for an example, in many places, the different allies, they would have their own strategy in place. It is not like that every political party.
Mr. Nambiar, when you say I don't think so, you just heard KC Tyagi ji. Nambiar Saab?
Yes.
Mr. Nambiar, respond. Yeah. He's saying this is not the BJP of Atal Advani. They're not following the same dharma.
So let me tell you, Vasu, if you could give me 30 seconds in one go. Let me tell you that today's BJP really asks that it is the 60s and 70s of a Congress, which has got an absolute parliamentary majority. Every political party, you are a senior journalist, you may have traveled across the country and covered. Today's BJP is there everywhere. It's a party in true sense, the national party. That is the reason I said it is like a 60s and 70s of a Congress.
Mr. Nambiar, with all respect, as Tyagi ji just listed, you lost almost a dozen elections on the trot. You lost a dozen elections on the trot, which is why you need allies. You can win some elections on your own, but many others you can't.
Vasu, the Prime Minister has said very clearly earlier, in multiple occasions, that he said that the requirement of partners across the state is important to have diversified support base. It is very, very important. There is no doubt. But in the meantime, every party, if you really look at just before the election, the national election, Telugu party has just moved out. Now, do you think that is it because of any coalition dharma the TDP has left? And what happened to TDP? You have all seen that. They have decimated in Andhra. So in the same the case of Akali Dal has not moved out because of any coalition issue. Or the Shiv Sena. All of these people have gone because of their own vested interest. They have their own constitution wherein they have to make
you're saying everyone for themselves.
So
all right.
I don't think
we'll see how it goes. Okay, we're out of time. But maybe the BJP needs to look within and say, what is it about? You can blame the allies all the time, but what is it about us that our allies are either upset or leaving us? Well, that's the subject for another debate. We'll have to leave it there. Thank you all.